Section 3.5 Summary of Spanish numbers. 1. No matter whether you are learning Spanish or French, numbers 0 to 20 are viewed as base numbers, which means you must memorize their spellings and pronunciations individually. 2. In Spanish, the structure of the spellings for numbers 21 to 29 is as follows. 20 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the prefix 20 comes from 20 plus e. 20 and. For example, 21 can be written as 21. Then we have 21. Please note that you need to add accent marks when spelling out 22, 23, and 26. 3. For numbers higher than 30, the structure is as follows. We put the multiples of 10 at the 10th digit, and then plus e, or and, plus numbers 1 to 9 at the units digit. 4. If you're learning French, be careful when spelling out numbers 70 to 99. From their point of view, they will spell these numbers involving some simple math. For example, 70 is 70, which means 60 plus 10. 80 will become 80, which means 20 times 4. 90 is 90, which means 20 times 4 plus 10. Let's move on to section 3.6, in-class exercises. Exercise 4.1, Application of Spanish cardinal numbers. Expressing age. Por ejemplo, ¿cuántos años tienes? Tengo 90 años. Try to finish this practice by using this sentence pattern. Pause the video if you need more time. Let's do this exercise together. Number 1. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Tengo 82 años. Number 2. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Tengo 23 años. Number 3. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Tengo 16 años. Number 4. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Tengo 14 años. Number 5. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Tengo 58 años. Exercise 4.2. Application of Spanish cardinal numbers. Telling time. Por ejemplo, Que hora es? Son las 12 de la tarde. Try to mimic the sentence pattern and finish the following questions. Pause the video if you need more time. Let's finish this exercise together. Number 1. ¿Qué hora es? Es la 1:15 de la tarde. O es la 1:15 de la tarde. Number 2. ¿Qué hora es? Son las 8:30 de la mañana. O son las 8:30 de la mañana. Number 3. ¿Qué hora es? Son las 6. Number 4. ¿Qué hora es? Son las 5:20 de la tarde. Number 5. ¿Qué hora es? Son las 10:47. O son las 11:13. This is the end of our lesson and the preliminary Spanish lesson series. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.